Hi, this is Timothy. He was on the internet scrolling like he does daily, then he saw a post from Marketing Lot on how to make money online as a beginner using just Instagram. He clicked on the article since he has been using the application for some years without making a dime. Timothy started to read the article and found out that the first and easiest way of making money on Instagram as a beginner was to sell shoutouts as a middleman. In the article it stated that, by becoming a middleman between an Instagram account with more followers and those looking for some instant exposure on that platform, you can make some good money if you play your cards right. If someone is looking for more followers, but doesn't have enough clout yet to get any from his own network, he might turn to a middleman. There is a simple method of doing this. First, you have to scout for the account that is actively wanting to do shoutout, contact them and ask them for how much it would cost and then your own profit. Keep it to about 20% of the shoutout cost, don't get greedy. The second method was through flipping Instagram accounts. There are many people who start accounts for fun and quickly abandon them, allowing you, as someone who knows what they are doing, to buy it cheap. Once you do, you can use it for all sorts of things like growing it a bit and selling it off more than what you bought it for. This method can be quite lucrative if done right. Before buying an account, always use PayPal goods and services for your transactions so as to reduce the risk of being scammed of your money. You need followers, and lots of them, if you want your account to be valuable in any way. So how do you get those followers? Learn more on that by clicking the link in the description below. This article contains 5 ways of making money on Instagram ranging from beginner to advanced ideas. So click on the link below to learn more. Like and subscribe for more content like this. See you later.